Good morning. It is 5:10. I am up early this morning. I just wake up and oh my gosh, matter still in my eye and everything. But I wanted to document this day because I'm going on my first 5K run in Jamaica, my first 5K in Jamaica. And I wanted to bring you guys along. So knock knock, knock knock. Wanna wake up, man. Wake up, wake up. Yeah. Let's see if I'll make it because it's yesterday I walked Mountain Spring twice, twice. We go down and we said we could go again and go back up and go down. But told them it hurt me, right? As Simone said, her toenail they drop off. She walk. Then when she walked down the hill, I told them it hurt me. So we'll see how much do for this 5K, but I think it's a great networking opportunity too. So I did want go. So let's just go. It's Express Fitness 5K, and apparently we're supposed to be doing an area called Norbrook. Apparently it's one of them nice areas. Cartel sing about it song when him said she wanna come check me. I'm also a Norbrook or something like that. But anyways, let me go get ready. I'm making my coffee because that is a must. And let's go. Okay guys, I'm all set and ready to go. Just finishing up my coffee. It is 5:43. They say it's starting at 5:30. Warm-up starts at 5:45. And the actual race, the running, starts at 6. So I think I'm gonna get there at 6 because I don't want. Even when I used to do run clubs in Dallas, I used to skip up on the warm-up because I make a workout for go workout. Anyways, I mean like little light dynamic stretching is fine. But some of them do warm up high knees but why may I do that for go run? I understand dynamic stretching. I don't understand high knees. So I'm gonna kindly skip that and then make it to the run. So hopefully I make it on time because I hate being late on them things there. So I'm about to call my Uber and head over. Oh, if police come to escort
in this direction, guys.
I run here on our month, but since I moved back, we're gonna do it more often. And with the palisades.
A long time I didn't.
You should have, next week you can come with me. We're gonna do 3 next week.
It took me 20 minutes just to get
yeah, but next week we'll do 3 laps.
Go first on our way. We left from Grandspin Bridge Walk. Whoever's jogging can jog, whoever's walking can walk. Look out for the Marco and Miles and I'm first at my feet, but
I'm young. I'm young. All right.
Come! Oh, I know you will. I know, thanks.
You ready for stop? The time up there so just said 6:19. Wait, remember I start record so I can check the time on the phone. This feel like 5 kilometers already.
Sun is cool.
Morning. Whenever you're ready for walk, still. Oh, simple. Okay. Yeah. This is another uphill journey. Well, I'm kindly taking a stroll. Just like, no sir. I told them so that happened. After this, I'm gonna do no more cardio till about Wednesday. Rest my body. No sir. You're the dog them. At least it's a nice view.
Yeah.
First of many 5Ks. Yeah man, the neighborhood are nice still. Yeah. Nice houses. And it's not on the hill usually. But I see them also on the hill. Wait. This is the Russian embassy. Okay. Interesting. Didn't know it was here. Okay. Wait. Alright. Time for us to run again. Whee. I need a stabilizer. If I go always I go find them journeys here. Look on the house there. Wait. This looks like a church. Has to be a church. A lot of those box shaped houses popping up. Or apartments popping up. Good morning. Yeah man. Look abandoned. The little kid there, watch out. So cute.
I did a photo shoot here before.
Oh yeah, over this house?
Long time. Run it back.
They may also look like church.
Too damn big.
Hear the dog them? Me not know with them, you know. Me don't know why the man I try to take picture with him sister.
For the gram.
With him
Somebody
sister.
try to run past him, but
Him did stop by us.
when it's flat,
Yeah, keep up though, y'all. Go on. Them dog ain't bad. Them just talk bad. Come out and do something. Come out if you're bad. Come out. Come out if you're bad. Come out if you're bad. Come out if you're bad. Come out. We all know, you know. If them come out, me God. Me God. The lady so soon. But at least there's nice views. The run is better when you have nice view. Okay, this is the downhill, she said. Downhill from there, so hopefully it's not as bad. Shouldn't be. Morning. Whew, it's nice. Imagine the view from up there. Look, there's a path, a trail.
oh Lord.
Oh, that's nice. Push mango them. So I'll stay. Oh, another downhill.
Downhill.
Yeah, downhill, good man. Look at the yeah, look. Yeah. Look at that steep part there.
I'm take a piece of the downhill.
So we're not going up there, so we're going down there. So come, I couldn't manage up there, so right about now. That is how Mountain Spring is. Up there, so I like Mountain Springs. Oh, I think I know where we are now.
Huh?
I hope.
At least reach 2.5.
Yeah, man. Wait, little. A 5 where I do? Oh, gosh. Oh, God. Okay, we're approaching the 4K mark, guys. We're almost there. Almost there. It's the content. Here's the Spain embassy. Oh gosh, my tire flat. Interesting. Same way. Oh, what would it pass earlier? The Russian? Alright, y'all. So I ran straight from where it is to the 3K to the 4K sign. Because I at least want to do something. Push myself a little. My toes them still are at me. My knees are at me. But we're getting it done. We're almost there. I'm gonna walk like a bit. And then run some more. And I apologize for the shakiness. But what you expect? What you expect? Tired, man. I need to get one of them stabilizer. Hold that thingy there. But yeah. Alright. As I said, the run is nicer with a nice view. It's more manageable with a nice view. Okay. Oh, nice and peaceful up here, man. At this cartel house, when him say, don't come check me up at Norbrook. I think that's what the man said. I don't mention Norbrook. Guys, we see the gate. We see the gate. At least we get to the end of the street. So, we're not bad. See the gate there, guys? Oh, well, the gate at the back gate is. Yeah. Go for go cry. Oh no, the sidewalk. You want to give me a ride? Oh no, we can't see the girl. She gone. At least we can see the back gate. We not see the gate, people. What the hell? Oh, see there? Him turning, yeah. Oh, thank God. Yeah, over here, so we'll come out. Okay. Sit in the sea. But do we run back all the way? 5K. We made it. There's nobody to clap us in. Yeah, me either. Morning. Cut cross and go. Down the slope? Okay. I thought there were going to be people to clap us in. Greet us with water. And I'm oh, thank you. Because you know, some never eat nothing. Oh, so the gym. This should have been the warm-up. That's the warm-up and the cool down. You see, and this is why I intentionally skip the warm-up. Because while we go work out, But we did it, guys. We did it. A great way to start June, because today June 1st.
Oh, yeah.
So we're going to keep up. June is going to be a month of 5Ks. Working out Mountain Springs. Next week we have the Mountain Springs 3 times. Shall I come? Almond Breeze is one of the sponsors of the 5K. They're selling of rice cake. Yeah, for stretch. I know. The honey roasted almonds. Porridge. They don't have them in peanut flavor, don't they?
No. With rice cake?
Can get the power pack one?
Alright, get him up.
Not without the almond.
Don't click. We want you. We also want to say a special thank you to Chassis Ramson. They also brought Ellen Beer, they brought the granola, they brought Blue Diamond, they brought the Fosca cups, they brought the rice cake, they brought the peanut butter. National provided the rice cake, National also provided the granola. But the Chassis Ramson team collaborated with them, and it was a perfect marriage. So we're thankful to them as well. And also we want to big up Jordan and Zachary from Pure Country Coconut Oil.
Thanks.
Yeah, all right.
So there you have it, guys. We did my first 5K, first of many 5Ks in Jamaica. It wasn't bad, we're not gonna lie. But after doing legs on Fridays, Mountain Spring twice on Saturdays, and now this, Yeah, I'm gonna rest tomorrow. But shout out to Express Fitness. I like the gym. I like it. Guys, if I do consider training again, I would only do boot camps. Teach boot camps and teach them out here. I can't bother with the one-on-one training. Guys, I just reach home tired as ever. But for the rest of my body, big up on yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to let YouTube know you're rocking with us. If you're in Jamaica and you have a 5K coming up or any kind of fitness thingy, let me know and we'll join. We'll join and I'm all about the fitness. Cause you know, if I keep your body up, some I come up. Anyways, y'all, big up on yourself. I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy new month, guys.
Jamaica, Jamaica, hey. Jamaica, Jamaica.